Hello, my name is Luis Elena Mecuarnes. My presentation. What do you miss most being a kid? I remember very few things from my childhood because when you are a child, you want to be an adult, and when you are an adult, you want to be a child. They are difficult things to change, but the little I remember is when I shared a lot with my family. I look at some photos of how we had it. We had fun and walks, lunches, and celebrations. They were very beautiful moments. Sometimes it even saddens me how time flies. I miss when I shared with my friends from the neighborhood we had that innocence. Today I arrive in my town and walk streets that sometimes as children we want to know new things, and a group of us went out secretly from our parents, and then those scoldings, but always with that innocence of laughing. I remember that it was a very healthy town where we were raised with a laugh of laugh, always respectful of others. We celebrated the Day of Child with many banners that was a laugh of happiness. I miss when I stayed with my family and let I go to the old park in my town that is no longer very many children used to go. So many concerns that often afflict us as adults are one of those things that did not exist as a child. My childhood was very healthy and I was very happy in the environment which I grew up. I was very happy to see how things were fun, and we dreamed of being better in the profession that we play at being doctors, teachers. It was so much fun. I am left with how happy I was with the wonderful people who were part of my life, although some who were part of it are longer here. I go back to how special they were in my life. Thank you.